Say hello to our sweet little teddy bear, with a flower and charm to share. It all began with 2 simple circles, so all the magic is there. Let the fun begin. These circles might look simple, but trust me, they're hiding a whole lot of potential and even more charm. These circles are our secret recipe for the teddy bear's head and body. Our magical teddy needs a circle-tastic start. With eyes and snout place all set, what's next for our little buddy? You are totally right. Next are fabulous ears and a haircut that's totally cool. With circles we start, and a bright little smile. Our cute little teddy bear is coming with style. With ears that stand tall, and a snazzy new-do, he's ready for cuddles and adventures with you. With a flower in hand and a heart full of cheer, our teddy bear's ready for fun, far and near. Line by line, our fluffy friend is coming to life. So, let's get those creative gears turning. What should we name our adorable charmer? I'm sure you'll come up with something totally epic. That is a beautiful little flower. I really like it, you peep-tastic peep. You are always so good with details. So, let's add some to our fluffy little friend here. And we will be ready for those slick marker lines in no time. Everything's all set and looking fabulous. Grab your marker, and let's level up the fun. I love the first part where we are sketching with a pencil. It's where the magic begins and our imagination runs wild. And then there's this awesome marker stage. It's where we make those lines pop and give our drawing its big, awesome personality. And don't forget, you can always make some changes. Add some details that you think would look peep-tastic. Even mistakes sometimes can look cool. If you don't like something, feel free to change it. That's what makes this fun. This is looking amazing. Our little teddy bear's charm is growing with every stroke. It's like he's trying to win Bear of the Year with each line. We're on to the finishing touches now. Those lines look absolutely spectacular, like our teddy bear is ready for the spotlight. And what better way to wrap it up than with some colors? Imagine what shades you'd love to see, and feel free to use them. Or check out my awesome example for a splash of inspiration. And do you know where you can find more free awesome videos like this? Of course, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.